Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a full backup copy of the encrypted files to a separate drive. Keep the originals untouched to avoid accidental data loss. Verify you have administrative access and the correct user account credentials for the device. Check file properties and note any visible encryption type or exact error codes. Gather any passwords, recovery keys, or Form 1099 style identifiers linked to your account. This preparation reduces risk and preserves options for automated tools or professional recovery services. Next, identify the encryption method used and the matching recovery tool you need. Open file properties and metadata to look for labels or algorithm names. Search the operating system for vendor recovery utilities or recommended third-party tools. Confirm the presence of valid recovery keys, backup copies, or password hints before running any tool. Only download tools from trusted sources and verify checksums when available. Keep a log of each tool you try and the exact steps taken in case you need professional assistance later. Begin decryption on the backup copy only, never on original files directly. Follow vendor instructions step by step and enter recovery keys or passwords carefully. Document each action and the time taken so you can reverse or report them. If a tool reports an integrity error or stops, stop immediately and do not repeat risky operations. If multiple attempts fail, use verified backup copies or contact professional recovery services. Maintain a secure copy of any successful decrypted files and update your backup strategy to prevent future encryption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.